Hey guys, it's Gabe Wimmer coming at you with a bite check. Kink Gap 2013. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. There. Alright. I'm gonna do a bite check with you, and here we go. I got Mission grips, Mission bar ends, some stock brake lever, Kink Uptown bars, just some stock piece of crap brake cable, a Mission Paramount stem. I got and coming down I have a Kink Stout forks, pretty nice. Mission headset integrated. And here I got a Mission, what is it, Echo hub with an alienation rim with some stock spokes and some little chrome valve cap. Kenda contact tire, and the Kink Gap frame coming back with some Mission pedals, metal. I like them. And some Mission Transit cranks, Mission Cypher 25 tooth chain wheel, KMC chain, piece of crap. You get a half link soon, but oh well. A Mission, was it Response back hub with another alienation rim, black spokes, a Kink pivotal seat, and a Mission seat post and seat clamp, and a Spanish bottom, Mission bottom bracket. Pretty nice. Overall, this is a nice bike. I like it. I've only rode it for about 2 days now, but it's nice. That's all that matters. I would definitely recommend this bike to somebody. Any rider, mainly like intermediate and up. I need to get pegs for it and a hub guard. As you can see, no pegs. I'm a lefty. It's nice. I really like these bars. They're tall and wide. That's about it. We just built a grind box today. Gotta finish it up. Be coming at you with some new grinding videos and stuff, and how to feeble and shit like that. I just sold my Diamondback to my friend. It's cool. And I guess just rate, comment, subscribe. And later.